Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If Microsoft Edge is still using Bing search by default and you want to change it to Google, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to set Google as the default search engine in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or 10. This is the new and updated method and it only takes 1 minute. So first open Edge browser on your PC. After that click on this one triple dot menu that says settings and more, and in the drop down menu click on this one settings. After that select search, privacy, search and services in the left sidebar. On the right at the bottom click on this one search and connected experiences. After that click on address bar and search. Here you will find search engine. Click on this one option. Now you will find here several search engine. Beside Google, click on this one triple dot menu and select here make default. From now onwards, when you will open Edge and search anything, it will directly open in Google. Results will open in Google search. That's all about this video. Bye.